on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Your boy got the camera out today, finally, once in a blue moon. We're not even gonna get into that today. We're just gonna be having some good vibes, getting a quick little video for you guys, shooting some content. I know it's been a minute. It is Memorial Day weekend, so that's why we had to pick up the camera for the one time. We're on our way to a car meet. It's supposed to be this pretty crazy Memorial Day weekend car meet. I don't know, we're gonna go with the boys. So if you guys are excited for this video and me picking up the camera, make sure to drop a fat like, subscribe, comment, do what you guys gotta do, and just stay tuned, man. Sit back, relax, enjoy the video. I'm gonna go pick up the boys right now. We're gonna go pull up on them. We're gonna go with Mr. Chicken Joe, Carlos Ortiz. I don't know if Jerry's coming, but yeah, we're gonna just go kick it with the boys, have a nice little vlog for you guys like the good old days, and just enjoy the vlog. You guys can see something's a little different somewhere around here in the front end. I do still got to make a video about that. So we got the GT350 front end all nice, ready to go. Everything else looks pretty much the same, but we do got some stuff coming for Ruby that I actually just ordered. Should be here this week, so definitely gonna be making a video about that as well. So like I said, like it up, man, subscribe, come on, let's do it. Let's see if we could get back on this little grind, you know, that we used to be on. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Let's go. All right, you guys, so surprisingly, I'm the first one at the gas station. I don't know where everybody's at. They said they were gonna just meet up here, and nobody's here, so it's just me right now, man. So we're gonna see who actually pulls up right now first, and so we can get rolling and hit up that little nice little car meet. An hour later, boys, an hour later. Still Carlos isn't here, by the way. Sheesh. Brother,
hey.
I've been here for an hour already, bro.
Yeah? Hey, chat, new shirt, what y'all think? What y'all think?
Yo, bro's been wearing that shirt for 4 days straight. Been wearing this hoodie for 4 days straight too, gang.
I ain't gonna lie, bro, I got no clothes right now. I was like, bro, look fuck this, bro.
Sheesh. Hey, that's my boy right there. Shout out to my boy if he sees the vlog. Yeah, this is my boy Chicken Joe right here, guys. If you guys don't know, you guys should know by now though, bro. Come on now, look.
About to shit myself right now.
No cap. Boy Chicken Joe right here. 350Z boosted, twin turbo, everything, bro. You guys should know by now, but we're still waiting on one more victim, like I said. Carlos. He was the first one to text the chat, by the way. All right, we get it, bro. You gotta tell me. We get it, bro. You gotta tell me exhaust. Dog.
Oh,
shit. But yeah, this is his whip, guys. I'll leave all his info right there below if you guys already don't follow him. But he's a little IG TikTok famous, so you guys should already be following him. When you're rich like this, then
when you're rich like this, and check the forecast every day.
Rain.
Hey,
yeah.
I'm gonna use
keep
that.
going, keep going, keep going.
A bitch like this,
It's pure cocaine. Look who finally pulled up. Yeah. Mr. Ortiz has made it to the chat an hour and a half later, but Toretto. Toretto. Welcome back to the vlog, man.
I didn't even dab you up.
Hey, dab me up though. That's love, that's love.
Bro.
Hey, you like that, bro? Hey, what do you gotta say to the vlog, bro? We're back right now.
It's been a few years, but we're back.
We're back.
I can't wait to not see this video.
That's right, that is right. Well, guys, are we finally gonna be leaving now?
No, we're waiting on Pakistan.
Fuck, man. Bro was the first one to text the chat at 7 a.m. sharp.
And
And it's fucking 9 a.m. already. Don't even
I've
give
been
it.
aura farming.
Bro's been aura farming real
farming,
quick.
bro.
Aura farm real quick.
Y'all ready? I don't want to hear you talk, bro. You weren't been wearing my hoodie for the
Yeah.
past 4 days.
Hey, no cap. I have. That's love though.
Where'd you get your shoes at though?
Shit, you know, tied.
Those are like 400.
Tied.
Those are like 400.
I know, bro.
And I don't even see. I don't even smell.
Get your
400
money
over
up, bro. Get your money up, little bro.
Oh!
I don't know who else we're waiting for, but we'll see what's up. It's already a vibe though, man. Like I said, if you guys are new, make sure to drop a fat like, comment. Who knows if this video will ever go up, bro, like the boy said. But if it does, drop a fucking like for me, bro, please, because the vibes are good. I'm feeling good, man. I'm feeling good. So let's see what we end up doing right now. Finally left the gas station. The boys all pulled up. Finally we're leaving. Hey, but it's a vibe though. It's a vibe. Got the whole squad out here. Alright, you guys, we finally made it to Cars and Coffee, or whatever you want to call it, the meet. And there is a lot of freaking cars here, bro. There's hella clean cars here. This thing is a vibe. I'm gonna lie, this is a vibe. Right now we're just taking a quick little lap, breaking some necks. Man, this thing looks freaking lit. It's a good ass turnout. So let us get parked, let us get situated, and pick you guys up right now in a bit. So let's get it. Guys, the vibes here are literally insane, bro. So many cars. Look at this. 2, 3, and then 4. That's crazy. Sheesh, Mr. Jerry. This shit sounds hella loud, bro. Your head right there. God damn. All the Beamers lined up all right there as well, too. Damn. That's crazy. And it goes all the way over there, boys. Chat, check out this M2 real quick, bro. White on white. Hey, funny story. I did not used to like the M2s. So I started seeing them more. They grew on me. These are clean, bro. Casual Monday, bro.
Monday, Sacramento West Cap.
That's insane, bro. Holy fuck. Check out the Koenigsegg though. Beautiful, beautiful fucking build. That's the one right there, chat. Sheesh. Let's pull up, let's pull up. Jeez. This is literally the ultimate dream car. GT3 RS. We got a bunch more over there on that side too. I think now they're about to do some little announcement. It's a vibe though. Vibe, boys. Hey, here comes the Lambs, boys. That's fucking insane. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God. Damn, bro. I'm fucking kind of deaf, boys.
What?
How you guys feeling? Can you hear me? No.
What you say? What you say?
Fuck, bro, that was crazy, man. That was crazy. Jeez, that thing was spitting out flames, boys, of the meat. Everybody rolled out. There's barely any people left now. We're just chilling here, hanging out with the boys. We're gonna go get some grub. The boys all had a good time. You guys all had a good time?
You know, found free dick parking. I mean,
All right. Boys all had a good time.
It was kind of mid, but
Honestly,
cool.
I mean, I didn't.
It was a good time. It was a good time. So
Came up to me and took a picture.
nobody did, bro. Nobody did, bro. But hey, if you guys enjoyed the little vlog, make sure to drop a like, comment,
I can't wait to see
subscribe.
this video in 2 months, bro.
We're gonna put out a nice little video for you guys. Peace.